How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to remove the Meta AI on WhatsApp, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on WhatsApp application like this, then go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on the option of app details and store, now you can see the option of email here. Now here in the option of email, you can send an email to the Android support, that is of WhatsApp, the developer contact of the WhatsApp that you would like to remove the AI. You can go to the option of email and send an email to that. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can go to the option of the Play Store on your mobile device. Then you can go to the search icon and then search WhatsApp Messenger. Now, after you search on WhatsApp Messenger on your very Play Store there, what you can do is you can go to the option of uninstall and uninstall your very WhatsApp Messenger and reinstall it once again, and this way WhatsApp AI Messenger will be gone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you'd like to remove the chat AI on your very WhatsApp, this is the steps that you can follow. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.